Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. Today I want to take a moment to go over lighting for home defense. Now, before I get started, I am not an expert, I'm just a regular guy, but I've thought about these things a lot. Kind of wanted to provide my 2 cents to the matter. Now, I think all of us should have lights on our defensive tools. I think that's good standard procedure, and I think it's a responsible thing to do. Ultimately, if you have to use any of those tools in a home defense situation, you're responsible for every round that you would fire. But I think one thing that's often overlooked and not talked about in home defense is the humble night light. Now, there's nothing sexy about night lights. They're just something you don't think about, something you have so you don't trip and fall, your kid doesn't trip and fall going to the bathroom in the middle of the night. But I think nightlights have an important role to play in home defense. Since nightlights kind of just add a general ambient light to your house, if you would ever be in a situation where there's a home intruder, you can see the person and see the intruder more clearly with having nightlights and not have to give yourself away by using your weapon mounted light. Also too, if you have a weapon mounted light, if it's someone who's not a threat, just maybe a dog or a child or something like that, if you have to use that light instead of relying on a different light source, you are pointing that weapon at something that you don't actually want to be pointing that weapon at. So it's a safety hazard in that way as well. But with night lights, since it's a general ambient lighting around your house, you can be able to see someone else, and you obviously have experience with your own home, so you can kind of know where the layout is, so you can kind of still get the jump on someone if it is an intruder, and you're not giving away your position by turning on your light, your weapon mounted light. If you have a weapon mounted light, turn that on, it's going to lead a path right back to you, especially if you haven't identified a threat in your home. So I think the humble nightlight is a great option for home defense. One other thing I will mention is there's also a deterrent factor to that. If you strategically place enough nightlights around your home, they can kind of give off an ambient glow to your home from the outside, maybe similar to like if TV's left on or something like that. Maybe not to the same effect, but it makes your home look like there's more activity going on and more people living there, especially if you're out of town or it's in the evening. It just kind of makes your home less of an appealing target to begin with. So I think everyone should have a good set of night lights. They're not that expensive. You get at your dollar store, Amazon, wherever. But I put a lot of them around your house, especially by entryways and things like that. They're not expensive to just stash them everywhere and then kind of just generally light up your house. And it's good for your safety too, so you don't fall in nighttime if you're going to the bathroom or something like that. Just something I hadn't seen a lot of people talk about. Kind of let me know what your system is and set up for night lights. And don't just think of paths to the bathroom. Obviously think of your whole house when it comes to home defense, not just the pathway that you would walk to go to the bathroom or the kitchen or something like that in the evening. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Till next time, I'll see you.